In this short video, I'm going to cover how to properly use your rear brakes, or what we call trail braking, whenever you're making your U-turns. Now, I've seen a lot of videos on trail braking, but not a lot of them tell you how much brake pressure is needed when applying this technique. So in this video, I'm going to give an example on how much brake pressure is needed. And you'll also see that by trail braking, this will allow you to tighten up your U-turns as well. Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my ProRider Central Texas YouTube channel. Now, if this is your first time here and you're serious about improving your skills and taking your riding to the next level, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Now, this is part 3 of a 5-part series on how to improve your U-turns. But before we get started, let me say one very important thing. Any braking that is done when you're making your U-turns should only be done by using the rear brake. You should never use the front brake when making a slow U-turn. If you do so, this could cause you to be thrown to the ground in a low side situation. So what is trail braking? Trail braking is when you slightly apply rear brake pressure as you're making your U-turn. Now, this can be done as you're approaching to make your U-turn to help you control your speed prior to your turn. Or trail braking can be used in the middle of your turn to help tighten up your U-turn and stabilize the motorcycle. So how does trail braking help tighten up your U-turns? Whereas you are slightly applying your brake pressure in the middle of your turn, this slows down the motorcycle. As the motorcycle starts to lose speed, it wants to lean over more. This would naturally cause the motorcycle to turn tighter. So now let's talk about how much brake pressure is actually needed when you're trail braking. So let's pretend like you have an egg under your right foot. You want to apply just enough brake pressure where you can feel the back brake engage, but not crack the egg. In this video, you can see that I'm using very little rear brake pressure to slow and control the motorcycle during my turns. You can see that it's a slight pressure, not a stomp on the rear brake pedal. The sensation that you should feel is that the rear brake is slightly dragging and not stopping the motorcycle. If you stomp on the rear brake pedal too hard, it could upset the suspension and could cause the motorcycle to stall. If you found this video helpful, then like it and share it. And also check out our next video on counterweighting and any of the previous videos you may have missed as well. And also hit up on that comment section below and leave any tips that you have used that has helped you with your trail braking. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, till next time, ride safe.